This is Lily and welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now we are here at this plaza. It's called Niagara Pen Center. So there's Hudson's Bay here. Oh, look at this Niagara bus. It's St. Catharines. We are here at St. Catharines.
Thank you very much.
Sana ko pindutan.
Hindi high-tech to ah.
Sale yata yung mga lahat dito.
Yeah. Where's the food court?
Ano, may libre pa ang linis ng peoples eh.
It's probably right there.
Food court.
Where do you think the food court, ate? It's right here, probably. Probably. Let's go ahead pa. What?
I think it's this side.
So yung ano, tanong, we can do. Money.
Oh yeah, tanong mo. Sige.
Para alam mo.
Tanong natin muna.
Hello, Eden. Tapos na kami. Nagpe-prepare na kami papunta dyan. Ha? Sige. Okay. Hintay na tayo.
Smile, ate.
Smile pa? Smile daw. Smile.
Right. Going to the food court to find Baby Savior. Oo, te. Ang ganda, no? Uy, tingnan mo, oh. Okay guys, we are inside the Pen Center at St. Catharines, Niagara region. This is a mall. Oh, saya. at the food court. We're here. Say thank you to Lola B.
Jollibee and
French fries.
What do you have, baby?
so you made it to the pen center.
Masaya na siya ngayon.
You said depend. D-H-E-P-A-E-N.
I was hearing her repeat it. It's like, Patricia, I don't think she hears you.
I can barely hear.
Then there's the pen center. Oh, the pen for writing, Mom.
Welcome, baby. Wow, you like a car? Jollibee car?
Wow, that is actually cool.
Oh, yeah?
Amazing.
Oh, that's from Lola B.
Okay.
Oh, oh my Lord, look at him.
Not crying anymore.
No.
We stopped home when we bought the toys already.
Yeah, you know, that's what. Where's the toys? Yes. Cheese.